Well, let's start with the big story of the day. A fresh political and ideological row has erupted in West Bengal over Vande Mataram in schools. The All India Muslim Personal Law Board has opposed the move, objecting to any mandatory recitation of and seeking exemption for the Muslim student as well. AIMPLB has urged the state government to withdraw the notification, warning of the further actions if concerns are not addressed by them. The controversy has sparked sharp political reactions coming in from the leader of opposition. In fact, that has now hit back very strongly, saying that those living in India should have no objection to saying Vande Mataram and asserting that the national songs belong to the entire nation. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju has also backed the move, stressing that Vande Mataram is a national symbol that transcends religious identities and belongs to every Indian. As the debate intensifies, the issue has once again brought questions of nationalism, faith and education to the center of the political discourse. That's a breaking update we are getting in. A fresh political and ideological row that has erupted in West Bengal over Vande Mataram. Have a look.
वंदे मातरम पूरा हिंदुस्तान का राष्ट्रीय गीत है। ये हमारा, आपका या किसी एक राज्य का, किसी एक धर्म का गीत नहीं है। ये राष्ट्रीय गीत है और राष्ट्रीय गीत को सबको सम्मान देना चाहिए। इसमें राजनीति करने का कोई गुंजाइश नहीं होना चाहिए।
Let me get you more perspective and go across to my colleague Ritita, who's been tracking all the details. Good morning, Ritita. An objection has come in from All India Muslim Personal Law Board. They have said that as far as the recital of Vande Mataram is concerned, it should not be made mandatory. It should be exempted for Muslim students in school. Give us more details about this and the reactions that have come in from the party leaders.
Well, absolutely. You see, as soon as the Shubhendu government took its shape in Bengal, we had seen first with the government schools how the morning assembly songs were made to from Bangla Mati Bangla Jol to the Vande Mataram, and later we had also seen how this directive was followed for the madrasas. Even in fact, the madrasas direction board in West Bengal had also approved to it, and they had given out a notification also that soon after the breaks, as the madrasas reopen, Vande Mataram will be sung in the morning assembly song, as that is the national song. However, now we see that the AIMPLB has objected to it, and they had said the state to take back this notification. They had issued this against the Shubhendu Sarkar. Even though we get to see that the BJP has not given a reply to it as of now, but we are yet to see if through the day, because there are high security meetings which are going to be late today. So till now there has been no objection politically from the parts of the Bharatiya Janata Party or from Trinamool Congress. Earlier also we have seen the Trinamool Congress had not reacted to the change of song for the morning assembly. Even when it was in the case of the madrasas approving to it, Trinamool Congress had kept silent on this very matter. Back to you.
All right, stay on with us, Ridhita. We have a reaction coming in from the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Let's listen in.
करना ही चाहिए। देश में रहना है तो वंदे मातरम बोलना है। देश में रहना है तो जनगण मन अधिनायक बोलना है। देश का रहना है तो 26 जनवरी और 15 अगस्त को सम्मान करना है। ये भारतीय संस्कृति है, सनातन संस्कृति है। भारत का नाम हिंदुस्तान भी है, इंडिया भी है। उसको देश में रहना चाहिए तो सब देश को जो सांस्कृतिक कल्चर उसको मान के ही चलना चाहिए। ये देश दूसरा किसी का हाथ में नहीं जा सकता है।
So the Chief Minister saying that if you want to live in the country, you must say Vande Mataram and Jana Gana Man.